So good evening, everyone, and we're again with Professor Avram Ehrlich, and this time the question is Messianism or post-Messianism? What is that all about?
Okay, so the availability of knowledge on physics is amazing right now on YouTube. There's access to so many different sources of knowledge from the best universities, and what I've seen develop is in one of the themes in physics is the idea of entropy. Entropy is an amazing idea. Entropy is the way that energy breaks down, and it breaks down into all many different forms and unexpected forms. And the entropy which is being described in physics is the entropy of black holes, of huge early bursts of energy, where as a star collapses or whatever happens, there's a huge quakes of energy being shot out into. They say that the black hole condenses energy, but actually, this is Stephen Hawking's idea. One of his great contributions to physics is that he described or he predicted how black holes will also emit a form of radiation. And that radiation is the entropy, a form of entropy, not waste, but an entropy, what comes out of these black holes. But it is in this entropy, or which is like a wave, and then if there are other black holes, then there are other waves and ripples and other waves and energies which are which come together. And these are all entropies of great sources of energy. And in the entropy of entropy and the mixtures of entropy becomes an ecosystem which is suitable for humanity and for biological, for Earth and for biological species. It is a series of entropies of entropies of entropies, just like a honey is the entropy of bees. It's really the excretions of bees, but it's the sweetest thing on earth for humans. One's waste, or what is the things that one is deconstructed into, which is useless to that being, is something very valuable to something else. So that brings us back to the question, as you said, as you asked, of messianism. Social energy has never seen as great heights as in messianic explosions, eruptions. Messianism is an amazing psycho-religious, spiritual sort of combustion, where all sorts of people and ideas and technologies and nations and identities can get caught up into it because it's universal. It brings together. It appears to bring together many different strands and possibilities. So it brings together energy. Now the question is that good? All this energy. It could be analogous to a great explosion that we talk about in the waves, but what it may or may not be good. These messianic eruptions. What I've been more sensitive to in understanding more about entropy is the entropy of these messianic explosions, what happens afterwards. And that's why post-messianism, what comes after these great messianic times, and how to manage the ripples and where they go, and we're still quite small probably so these are they're the directions that I've been going to there.